In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Philly cheesesteak sandwich recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need hoagie rolls, 1 pound of ribeye steak thinly sliced, 12 slices of provolone cheese, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 onion diced. To the melted butter, we're going to add the garlic and mix until completely combined. Now we're going to spread this butter mixture on the inside of our rolls. In a pan over heat, we're going to place our rolls butter side down and toast until golden brown. In a pan over heat, we're going to add half of our oil and the onions and cook until they're golden brown. Once golden brown, we're going to take it out into a glass bowl. In our pan, we're going to add a 1/4 of our meat and cook thoroughly. To our meat, we're going to add a 1/4 of our onions. Season with a 1/4 of the salt and a 1/4 of the pepper. Once our meat is completely cooked, we're going to form it into a rectangle shape in the center of our pan. Over our meat rectangle, we're going to add 3 slices of cheese and let them melt completely. Once the cheese is completely melted, we're going to place it in one of our rolls. Once our sandwich is complete, we're going to place it on a plate. Our Philly cheesesteak is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.